Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. First of all, I want to say thank you all and thank you for subscribing my channel and that means a lot to me. Uh, at least someone in this world still is watching my video. That means a lot. Yes, thank you all. Just keep supporting me. Now let's talk about why I'm doing this YouTube. So these are the few reasons that I have given here. So is that it helps me to track my progress. Yeah, and another is to helps me to challenge me, push myself and motivate myself that keep doing it. And third is to keep my mind busy, always doing something. Uh, helps it helps me a lot. And third is because I love programming. Yeah, I can yes, because it is amazing. Now let's talk about what I have done these two last weeks. So yeah, now let's talk about what I have been doing in these 2 weeks. So in these last 2 weeks, I have learned the basic fundamentals of the Python from the YouTube channel Free Code Camp and from this video, which I have provided the link in the description. If you also a beginner and want to learn Python, this is the best way to start. So yes, I have learned all the fundamentals. I'm pretty, I'm still pretty weak at that, but I'm still learning. So what I've learned sets, tuples, and if statement, while loop, classes and object inheritance, and modules, and how to read and write files. Yeah, that's all the basic fundamentals I've learned in these last 2 weeks about Python. Yeah, that's it. Now let's talk about what I will do in next 2 weeks of my journey of my Python. So yeah, there it is. Talk about what I will be doing in next 2 weeks. So in next 2 weeks, I will be doing some beginner projects, and I will be also doing that from same channel, Free Code Camp, and from this video. And if you are also a beginner and doesn't know where to start and what should I do next, if you have learned all the basic fundamentals, this is the right way to do. So how I will be doing that? I will be doing first of all by watching that video and taking some notes, and then afterwards I will be trying it by myself. No watching again from the YouTube, just me and my IDE, just doing my thing. And yeah, lastly, if you also want to give me some suggestions of any ideas, what should I do next or something like that, you can give me in the comment section. uh, it will be very helpful. Yeah, that's all. Thank you all for uh, watching my video. That means a lot. Yes, just keep supporting me. See you then. In in few days I will be telling you about my progress and how I have reached in my beginner projects. Yeah, thank you for watching my video. See you then.